अपनी स्पीच को मुकम्मल करें। जनाब शहबाज साहब।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बअद। And a warm welcome to each one of you gathered here today on this auspicious occasions of India's Independence Day. And a warm welcome to my chief guest, Mufti Rashid Sahab, Haji Siddiq Sahab, Secretary Hasib Sahab, and Mukhia Samim Sahab, and other expected teachers, parents, and friends. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt gratitude to my esteemed teacher, Mr. Qari Ni'matullah Sahab, Maulana Sadar Nadwi Sahab, and Maulana Atiqullah Qasmi Sahab. They have been instrumental in shaping not only my academic journey, but also instilling in me the values of respect, unity, and compassion. So, Independence Day of India is celebrated on August 15th. It is a significant occasion that marks the country's freedom from the British colonial rule. This historic event, which took place in 1947 AD, remains etched in the memory of every Indian citizen as a symbol of peace, unity, and resilience. The struggle for the India's independence was a long and adverse journey, spanning several decades. It was characterized by non-violence movement and led by the visionary leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and among others. They rallied millions of Indian people to demand freedom from the shackle of British rule through the civil disobedience, non-cooperation, and peaceful protest. The first sparks of the independence movement can be tracked back to the India Rebellion of 1857, also known as the First World War of Independence. This rising up, led by the brave Indian soldiers and civilians against the British East India Company, and sent a clear message that India yearned for self-rule and autonomy. As the year passed, the movement gained momentum with the formation of India National Congress in 1885, a platform where united Indian across various regions and backgrounds. The early 20th century witnessed the emergence of Gandhiji, whose philosophy of ahimsa, which means non-violence, and satyagraha, which means true force, resonated deeply with the masses. His leadership galvanized millions and changed the course of struggle for the movement, for the independence. In response to the growing element for freedom, the British government made several attempts to suppress the movement, leading the act of violence and brutalities on both sides. Despite the changes, the brave Indian fight continuously and courageously, unwavering in their determination to secure the independence. Finally, after a year of relentless struggle and sacrifice, India's destiny was shaped on the midnight of August 15, 1947 AD. What was the moment? The Indian Independence Act was passed, making the end of British rule and the birth of independent India. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, addressed the nation with his iconic speech, expression, hope, and lying the democratic India. The Independence Day is now celebrated with immense pride and enthusiasm throughout the country, and the day begins with the hoisting of the national flag, followed by parades, cultural programs, and patriotic speeches. It serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by the countless freedom fighters who fought for the India's freedom. And now it is your responsibility to make alive the sacrifices of that freedom fighters. By saying this much, I would like to stop my speech. And once again, to all, many, many happy Independence of the Day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
बहुत अच्छी स्पीच आप समाप्त कर रहे हैं, और हमारे जितने भी मेहमान हैं, हम आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं। आप तशरीफ़ रखते हैं। एक मुख्तसर सा मुकालमा है, आपस में बातचीत, फिर उसके बाद